Oh, this is moving fast. Hey guys, it's me Jadel and
My name is Jan.
I'm with my little brother today. We are gonna play Garden of Banban. Can you say that?
Today, guys, we play Garden of Banban.
So this is the part one of the game and we are gonna play it. Oh damn. Boots. Banbans in their garden. Can you read this?
Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me.
Correct. Even though we are both skeleton. I don't know how this game works. Read this.
Having many arms allows me to help a lot of more people.
Wow! Correct! Damn, this is nasty. There's so many dust. Oh, here. This keycard. Oh, the heck. Key. Hello, let me in. Two batteries. The remote requires two batteries, right? What is this? Read!
Dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monsters. It is the only.
Ani, what's that? Yeah, we cannot read that. I don't know. I'm gonna look everywhere. Oh, here. What the hell? That is the batteries.
No.
It just popped up of nowhere. Can I run here? Oh, I can. Oh my god. We're gonna get chased. Hey, let's go. We have a drone. That's cool. Do you know what drone is? Press left mouse to button to use that one. Okay. There. I don't have a mouse. I'm just using mouse pad. Press right mouse button to teleport. Oh, okay. Controls can be pause menu. Bro, go there. Wait, it won't open. Let me try here. What? The heck? Bro, come here. Holy, you saw that? That looked like yo. There's like the end. I am much more paranoid than my brother. Now read. What does Ban Ban say?
Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine.
Do you know what pancreas is?
I know.
What is it?
Pancreas mean is pancake.
No. Ooh. Oh, I can do this. Okay. Yeah, I'm messing this whole place. The end is here. Now. Not a corner. Oosh. You deserve to be here. Yes. 100%. 102. Ah? 101.
No,
Yeah! Why May? You're the one who did this. We need a yellow K. Banbalena says. What does Banbalena says?
kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere.
How? Joke. Captain. I don't know.
Captain Fiddle says, ooh, ooga, booga, booga, ooh, ooga.
It sounds like that.
Uga.
Sounds big, like a baby. Where do we find
What Ban say?
where do we find the can we open this?
I know how to open.
How? Oh,
Click your mouse.
let me say though.
Open it.
How? We don't have yellow card.
Laila ka ba to ka?
Do you know where is the yellow card?
Maybe.
Where?
I'm hiding it.
Oh.
Ayun.
What's this? There's a sparkling thing here. Look. Oh my god. Wait, there actually is someone in here. Do you see that? Did you see that?
I didn't
You play.
open.
Your turn. Go inside. That's where the
There.
Dun.
I can see it.
That's the point. Cannot see anything.
Do we even have a flashlight?
Oh my god. I am more paranoid than my brother.
Bro.
Just go there. There's like something.
Hey,
That's the drone.
what is it?
Uy!
Oh my god, what is that?
That's what I told you. I feel like that's just a tree. Destructive business.
So, I think we need the hammer.
I cannot see anything. Ow.
Honey.
So we need to go there probably. Oh, this is the duck. This is the duck that we saw. Oh, it's up the upward. I don't know if that's the duck. Oh. Okay, what the hell did I do? It became green. I don't know why. Let's go back here.
Oh my god, who is that?
What do you mean?
That guy. Look behind you. Bro.
Wait, how is that?
Finally, light.
Oh my. Anyway, let's pretend that I told you it's a tree. Even though I'm the one who's paranoid.
It doesn't look like a tree.
Well, it is a tree actually, just no leaves. There isn't leaves. So apparently in this game, I cannot hear the game, but my brother can. So he gonna tell me if he heard something, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we have egg. We're gonna find all the eggs. We're gonna feed it to the Oplia. That duck. No, that's not a duck. It's a bird. Yeah, it's a bird. Where?
You just got it on the boat.
Yeah, I grab it. We gotta.
I think there's another egg in the slide.
No, there isn't.
No, there's there. Maybe.
Wait.
Oh, I thought that was an egg. Oh wait. Go under. Go down to the slide.
No,
Why?
I don't want to. Oh, that's the thing I. Oh, this. I'm dying. How many egg do we need?
I don't know.
I think it's 8.
I think it's
We
there.
cannot go. Look. I know. Wait. I'm trying to find all the egg. Yeah.
Bro,
Oh,
Not there.
oh,
Go there.
I already
There.
got the. Where?
Oh, I thought that was an egg.
No, it wasn't. I already looked there. Wait, gotta, gotta, we gotta press. I need my drone here. Where is it? Oh, there. Now press this button. I don't know what it does to.
Maybe it opens up.
Ta-da! Oh, okay.
I
It give us an egg.
I know it there's an egg on the slide.
Yeah, but we cannot go in it.
Bruh.
This is the bird we saw
It's
outside.
so ugly.
Like how? How do we feed it? We.
I think we need more.
Oh my god. I don't. I think we got like 4 or 3. So we need more egg. Fine. We gotta look
there's
out.
one.
Where? Okay. Oh, it's done. No, it says claim your reward at the mouth. Imagine
It
if you
says
just.
26 eggs.
Oh my god, we got key card. Let's go. Yay! We can get out. So this is what the key card is. Let's go. Now where is my dodge? It won't let me.
Can you jump?
Oh, we gotta break it. Oh, sorry. We gotta break the glass. Okay, I get it. Let me do it again, but in here. Break. Break the glass. Can we not break that? This. Let's go. We are now trespassing and vandalism the place. So what did I? Oh my god. What did I unlock? This. Hammer.
I
Go.
told you there's a hammer.
I know! Distraction at 1. Distraction at 1. Bro, let me call the drone before I go in.
Yeah. Press space to jump.
Jump.
Oh, so we can jump.
Here. Jump. I feel a bit scared because what is this? What do you think is that is?
Jump up, jump.
Jump. Oh, this. I swear to God, I am blind. This?
Maybe. Go there. Can you sit?
No.
What is going? There we go.
Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. What was my color? Do you remember the color?
What?
I don't know. Okay.
Jumbo Josh was green.
Oh,
Jumbo Josh. The big one.
oh yeah, I know he's green. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because whole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Birds scare me.
I think the Ban Ban was red.
Oh wait. No. No.
No. There.
Huh.
This one.
Wait. Wait. This is pink. This. What color is this?
I think it was. I
Don't know.
don't
Ah!
And that was and this was white.
Yeah, it was white. Okay.
There.
This is red. Okay. What is this?
Thinking was white. Blue. There. Okay, this one.
Orange. That's the last color. Oh,
Wait.
we are
Oh my
correct.
god, there. Look behind you.
I don't want to.
There's a door.
Oh my god, you're scaring me.
First,
Yay. Oh, Lord. Lord, no. Wait, what?
you're gonna die.
Yeah.
That thing will kill you.
Hi, Bay. Oh my god. Bye. Tene! Uy! Mama mo. Ay, sorry. Bro! Here. Okay. Go. This is moving fast. God. Bro, you look like possessed 100%. I'm not gonna sprint because I might actually fall again. So, yeah, he gone. Fall there. Let's go. What did we got again? Orange key card. Yeah. This is freaky. Ooh. What are we gonna do in here? Do you know what we're gonna do next?
I don't know.
Either do I.
Oh my.
Oh. For you. This is for us. Wait, I cannot read this actually. What does it says? We cannot. See, we don't have the key card.
Look, look, look.
What?
Now go behind.
You do it.
Oh, what is that?
I found it. We are so blind.
We did the big one.
You are so blind also.
Why? Oh.
Oh.
It's a secret, pa.
Ah. Name. Atom. Oh, boarding pass. Task E. I kinda wanna scan that. Wait, let me do it. Congratulations, you have made it to the Jumbo Joe's lounge. This is where Jumbo Joe's and his sibling come to rest. Uninvited guests are typically turned to mush, but you seem to have put a lot of effort into reaching this place. Hereby, you might stay as long as you like, put on some relaxing music, have some cake, and make some friends. I might die. Let's go. Oh, look, the chairs. What's There's a light. This is not safe. It's very dark. Oh, what the heck is that? Hello? Oh. What the hell? What? Like, yo. Is that Ban Ban? Oh, it's Jumbo Joe. Sorry, got mixed up.
Bantan is red.
Hey, let's go. We finish it. That's all, guys, for today's video. It was a short gameplay, but we have fun. If you like this kind of game, you should like and subscribe for more content. What are you gonna say?
Bye.
Are you not gonna tell them that they should like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe for more videos.
Yes, correct. Let's go. Bye-bye.
Bye.